Okay, today is the 10th of July and we're looking at the front left undercarriage. You can see they have cleared off all the muck and they're going to spray some anti-rust at the bottom here. So you can see that this body is accident free. Look at the chassis member. There is no accident mark. If it had an accident, you will find problems here where this is the part that always buckles or breaks. And then down at the A pillar, we are looking for signs of rust and it looks okay. This is the part on the E30 that had a lot of corrosion, and then you have holes coming through the body. So generally this body is okay. And looking at the bonnet, remember there was this mark of some plaster and all. So what Bear has done is he has removed all the plaster and removed all the paint, and this is down to bare metal. So after this there will be some treatment before the paint goes on. And he has done the same thing to the roof. So that is bare metal, guys. So you can see the roof is pretty good. And the car is at the back being prepped up for painting. And similarly, he has done the same thing to the boot area, and this is bare metal. So you can see, okay, looking at the roof line, this is the part you are most worried about in terms of rust and all that. There's a bit of rust here. Bear, what are we going to do about this, the rust?
Need to grind down some more.
Need to grind down some more, Okay. So he'll grind it down, then he'll build it up again. Okay, the primer has been sprayed onto the bonnet and the roof. The car is beginning to look good, man. Look at that. So that's the primer, because he stripped all the paint from the body and that was down to bare metal. So now he has sprayed the primer, and later on the other main parts of the paint will come on. And so here's the inside again. Everything is coming along fine. Just look at the bonnet. There's a bit of uneven part here, so there's going to be some here. There's going to be some plaster. But other than that, the bonnet looks pretty nice. Looking good, yeah? Okay guys, this is the update as of 27th of July 2020. The front bumpers have been removed and the car is being prepped, and you can see here the bodywork condition. You can see here also, this is the underbody here, and this is totally accident free. So giveaways are this clip and also this part of the body. If there's any impact, you will see some knocking, because most people will not replace that bottom piece. And so this is proof that this is a truly accident free car. So there you go. This is another view of the car. And what they have done is they have taken off all the glass panels, and This is the inside of the car. That's the transmission tunnel and the doors. So the latest update is they have done an undercoating for the car, and you can see it's just been sprayed, and this is to prime the car for the next stage, which is to polish this down and then go into spray painting the entire exterior of the car. So you can see now the car looks like its body in white, looks like it just came out of the assembly plant. And I can say the job is quite well done. Look at it, man. Look at the side. Look at the lines. Looks so nice and clean, yeah? Well, this is because this is an accident-free car. Look at the body. So nice. And all the lines, there are no wavy lines that are signs of accident repair. So take a good look at it. And here is the front part that looks really nice and clean, and that's the bonnet. There was a bit of rust up here in the beginning, but they cleaned it off and they polished it down to bare metal and then put in some primer, and now they put in the undercoat. So this is the undercoat, and you can see here the newspaper industry will never die. So those are Chinese newspapers.